Wie geht's? This is Welsh ASMR 82. Hey, how you doing? So, in today's video, I'm learning some more German, and today I'm going to learn about the body and health and illness. So, I'm really looking forward to this because I don't know this topic very well. And yeah, it'll be really good for me. Okay, so I'm going to go through the new items of vocabulary first, desperately trying to remember the gender of each. Then we're going to look at some ways of saying that I'm not well, look at things to make you better, and before we finish we're going to learn how to say it hurts, and we're going to do the activities. So I hope you stick around to the end for that. And if at any point you find you're really enjoying this video, don't forget to click like. It does me a massive favour, so dankeschön. The body, or der Körper, the head, der Kopf, the nose, die Nase. I keep forgetting everything has to be a capital letter. The mouth, der Mund. So that one's easy to remember it being feminine because it's got an E at the end. Der Mund. Der Zahn. Die Zähne. Plural, so that's fine. Das Auge. That's the one because it's got an E, I assume it's feminine. Das Auge. The eye. Das Ohr. The ear. Die Haare. The hair. That one's okay because it's got an E. So I'll just have to remember the thing I've got a pair of, 2 ears and 2 eyes, so they are das Auge, das Ohr. Neuter. Der Körper, der Kopf, der Hals, der Arm, die Hand. That's tricky. Der Finger, der Rücken, der Bauch, or der Magen. I know Magen better because I think it's the same word in Swedish. Das Bein. Neuter. Das Knie, der Fuß. So basically I think I should just assume everything's masculine at first. Masculine until proven not masculine. So in this one, got das Bein. I wonder, Bein can mean bone as well, can't it? But is that like der Bein? Is that why it's das, maybe? Okay, these seem fine. Again, Hals is more or less exactly the same in Swedish. Rücken, yeah, because it's like rucksack, rucksack. So they're all fine, I think. Bauch, I've never come across that word before though. Der Bauch, I know that one, der Magen. Bein, Knie, Fuß, der easy like English. Okay, health and fitness. Being ill sucks. Yeah. Don't suffer in silence. Learn this German and get made better ASAP. Say that you're ill. Ich bin krank. First you need to say that you're ill and then say you want to go and get better. Ich bin krank. I am ill. I love krank as a word. It's so cool. And then you go Krankenhaus and Krankenwagen and stuff. Very cool. Ich will zum Arzt gehen. I want to go to the doctors. To the hospital, ins Krankenhaus. To the pharmacy, zur Apotheke. So Apotheke is feminine, so it's zu der, zur Apotheke. And the Krankenhaus is das, so it's in das Krankenhaus, ins Krankenhaus. So that's neuter. That's feminine. Zum Arzt. It's a man, so it's masculine. Learn these things for making you better. I don't like for there. Learn these things for making you better. That was a weird sentence in English. Learn these things which make you better. If you're ill, you'll need one of these things to make you better. Maybe all of them. Das Medikament. Das. How strange. Ointment, die Salbe. Okay. Das Rezept. So again another new word. Das Pflaster. Die Tablette. Die Schmerztablette. Makes sense. Schmerz is pain, isn't it? Kopfschmerz, headache, I think. Health and fitness. Being able to say you're ill is useful, but it's more useful to be able to say exactly what hurts. My leg hurts. Mein Bein tut mir weh. Tut mir weh. This is how you say what bit of you hurts. Practice bunging in the body parts from page 30. This is informal. Including, we could say. Meine body part tut mir weh. Mein Bein tut mir weh. My leg hurts. I thought it was my bone hurts, which is impossible. Mein for der and das, meine for die words, okay. Mein Fuß tut mir weh. My foot hurts. Meine Hand tut mir weh. My hand hurts. Meine Nase tut mir weh. My nose hurts. Mein Kopf tut mir weh. My head hurts. So Hand is die, right? So meine Hand tut mir weh. Mein Kopf tut mir weh. Yes, that's that. And it would be mein for ein. Mein Auge tut mir weh, because masculine, neuter. Mein what's an ear again? Ohr. Ohr. Maybe it's die Ohr for two of them. Das Ohr. Mein Ohr tut mir weh. And then what about tooth? Zahn, der Zahn. Mein Zahn tut mir weh. My tooth hurts. Ah, there's it. I have a headache. Ich habe Kopfschmerzen. Is it okay if I just say Kopf? Do I have to say Kopf? Kopfschmerzen. Ich habe Kopfschmerzen. If your head, stomach and ear, you can say they hurt, or you can use the special ache words like this. Ich habe Kopfschmerzen. Stomachache, Bauchschmerzen. Aha, interesting. Earache, Ohrenschmerzen. Ah, there we are. So it's Ohren in the plural. Das Ohr, die Ohren. Or is the head in the construct? Bauchschmerzen, Ohrenschmerzen. Okay. Got it. Okay, so we're going to do these activities before we finish. And this is listening, so we can't do that. But Frau Reinhardt has been ill for a week. How do I say that? Ich bin krank seit einer Woche. She has a sore throat. So if it's not tut mir weh, it would be tut. Die Hals tut. Or sein Hals. Der Hals, isn't it? Der Hals. Sein Hals tut. Is indirect. Ihr weh. I don't actually know what the indirect. Does it say indefinite articles? Maybe isn't a P for pronouns? So, or is it him? Okay, so sein Knie tut ihm weh. He has to use the argument 5 times a day. Muss die Salbe fünfmal pro Tag nutzen. Is to use nutzen. I don't know where that came from. Probably not, is it? Hang on. Benutzen. Oh, that doesn't say. Ich weiß nicht. Susanne, ich habe, hat, is that word? I don't know, not Magen, Brau, what's the word? Bauchschmerzen. Susanne, who is not happy with the doctor's advice. Susanne ist nicht glücklich mit der Arzt. Rat, maybe Arztesrat, or mit dem Rat von dem Arzt, I'm not sure. Write out the German for the different parts of Peter's head. Remember to write der, die, das or die in front of the word. Der Mund, der Zahn, die Nase, das Auge, das Ohr, die Haare. Write these out in German. Don't forget the der, die or das. So it's, I think it's der Knie. Let's check. Das. Das Knie. The leg is das Bein. Das Bein. Should be a capital. I bought new pencils. The back. Der Rücken. Der Rücken, ja. The finger, der Finger. Nice easy one. The stomach, der Bauch. Is it Bauch? Yeah. The throat, der Hals. Match the English on the left, the German on the right. Pharmacy, die Apotheke. Hospital, das Krankenhaus. I want to go to the doctor's. Ich will zum Arzt gehen. Doktor, der Arzt. IML, ich bin krank. Write these phrases out in German. Ooh, I have stomach ache. There's not enough room really. I'll do maybe these ones. Ich habe, oh no. Not ich habe, ja, ich habe Schmerz. Schmerzen. Mein Nose. Die Nose. Der Nase. Das. Die. I think it's die. Die Nase. Meine Nase tut mir weh. I have earache. So there's two. You can either say ich habe Ohrenschmerzen. Or I could say mein Ohr tut mir weh. My leg hurts. So it's das Bein. So it's mein Bein tut mir weh. have a headache. Ich habe Kopfschmerzen. Kopfschmerzen. Ja, genau. Okay, that was fun. So, when we come back to this book, I'll be doing school subjects, die Schullehre. How fun. And I used to be a Spanish and French teacher. Okay. Dankeschön. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, click like for me, please. And if you're new to the channel, hallo, wie geht's? Willkommen. Click subscribe. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Bye 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 bye.